How to use Discord on mobile. In order to use Discord on mobile, you need to follow these steps. Open up your Play Store. On the search bar, type in Discord. When you locate Discord, click the install button. After completely installing the app, click on the open button. Now you need to create an account. So click on register. Type in the phone number or an email address that you want to go with. Click the next button. Then you go and select a username, click the next button, and then you have to go ahead and set a password as well. Once you're done setting a password, tap the next button, enter in your date of birth, and click the confirm button, and make sure to mark on the terms and conditions and click on create account. Now then, you'll be taken to this field where you need to go ahead and confirm that you're human. So go ahead and fill out that CAPTCHA. Once you're done with that, you'll be able to see or you'll receive a verification code in order to verify your contact information. And once you're done verifying your contact information, then you simply have to go ahead and start adding friends or create a server, or you'll be logged in simply. So let me just go ahead and quickly sign in since I already have an account. So once you're logged in, this is how it's going to look. You would tap the plus button from the left hand side corner in order to add or create a server. And that's the way you could go ahead and use Discord on mobile. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.